What's going on, guys? This is V6 Lifestyle here, and today have something a little bit special I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I finally just got it yesterday. I ordered this wide body kit back in March, and about a month or so passes. I gave them a call to see what's going on with my wide body kit, and they kept telling me it's being delayed, being delayed, being delayed. And after about 4 months of hearing this, I kind of got annoyed, and I gave him a call 2 days ago.
Thank you for calling back. Can you please look?
Hi, yes. You just hung up on me?
Thank you for calling back. This is Alyssa. How can I help you?
Hi, yes. I'm trying to check on my order status.
What's your order ID?
It's going to be...
It's for the Demon Full Complete Wide Body Kit.
Yes.
I do still have this part on back order. Would you want to switch it out for the 10/22.99?
So which one is that one? And they finally gave me an option whether I could have the same wide body kit that I ordered or a different one. So this is not even the wide body kit that I ordered. I ordered the Demon Charger wide body kit, which I didn't even know they made a Demon Charger. I know they have the Demon Challenger, but had no clue they made a Demon Charger. And so this is the Hellcat wide body that I ended up getting from Vicrez. So as you can tell, it's still closed and everything. Haven't opened it. I'm actually really excited to finally put this thing on and to get it installed. But I was just, if you guys order from Vicrez, before you guys order the parts, please call them ahead of time. Let them know if it's actually in stock. I didn't do that. I just ordered it right away back in March, and I'll put up those screenshots as well of my order that I placed. And on there, it didn't say anything that it was back ordered or it wasn't in stock. It didn't say anything like that. So if you guys order from Vicrez, please call ahead of time so you guys don't have to go through what I went through, because I waited 4 months and I still didn't get the wide body kit that I ordered. So this is end up being the Hellcat wide body kit. I just want to give you guys a quick view of how the Dodge Charger looks right now. This is my 2016 Charger SXT Blacktop Edition. And then here I got the wicker beer installed. It's kind of dirty right now, but got the wicker beer on there. So this is how it looks before. Like I said, this is a Blacktop Edition, and I'll show you guys an after once I take off the front bumper. I'll give you guys a little preview. I'm actually going to install this myself. So yeah, see how it goes. I want to give you guys a quick update. It took me about 6 hours to do this. If you can look by my hands are freaking filthy. So this is how it came out so far. I just put on the front grille, and I actually really like the look of it. So I called a couple of my buddies, and we're going to try to finish this hopefully by next week. And then from there I'll show you how it looks fully put on, and then I'm gonna get it painted and then go from there. It just takes time and energy. So if you got both, I'll say go for it, unless you want to spend about $2 grand, $3 grand, because that's how much they were charging me. They're charging me about $3 grand to have this installed and painted. So I'd rather just do it myself with a couple buddies, and then after that I'll take it to a shop to go get painted. And I'll show you guys how it turns out.